My lovely Scorpions, welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So, Scorpions, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of July 2024. Please note it's a collective reading and it might not resonate with all, so just take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay, you would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. Also guys, if any of this is your story, if any of this resonates with you, do give the video a thumbs up, drop comments, share your experiences, and last but not the least, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. So guys, while pre-shuffling, one message or one card that I would like to call as the stalker card of your energy was Ace of Cups. Okay, like the card refused, just absolutely refused to stay in the deck. Okay, and that too from both the decks. The moment I started shuffling, this card fell twice, and it has happened with both the decks. Okay, now first pair that fell was Ace of Cups followed by Four of Swords. Okay, so I just put it back. I thought, no, maybe I have just started shuffling, so let me try to shuffle again. So I just actually placed those two cards in two different positions, and then shuffled. Okay, I did not keep them together, and again came the Ace of Cups along with Five of Pentacles, and this time I was confirmed it's your message. Well, so the message is that someone probably is not reciprocating your love or feelings, Scorpions. Okay, like you have deep rooted emotions and feelings for someone, but that other person is just not reciprocating those, or that other person is probably not into you. Okay, and maybe the when if I think of going to the first pair that fell. Okay, Ace of Cups along with Four of Swords, it tells me that probably that person has blocked you and is not in communication with you. It's in no contact zone right now, probably, or it could be you who has blocked someone. Okay, like you're not interested in someone interested in someone romantically. Okay, and you probably have kind of stalled the communication with the person. I don't know which side of the stick you are on, but this was the message. These were the energies that were coming through. You are feeling very left out. Okay, because of this. And again, another trio that fell, which was very interesting, was I think it was Nine of Pentacles, it was Chariot, and it was King of Cups. Okay, so yeah, here there is someone very financially successful, independent person, but this person is having or fast developing feelings towards someone. Okay, like a lot of emotions towards someone, but not sure if the other person is holding similar thoughts or similar feelings for you. Okay, I also felt that someone is actually multitasking, wherein it comes to your professional life. Okay, or it could be a tough call to have work life balance. Okay, you are like literally walking on a tight rope is what I was getting for some of you guys. There was one more message which I think I forgot. Okay, yeah, and this lack of interest by whoever you are interested in, by this person. The lack of interest by this person is actually making you very obsessive, is what I was getting, Scorpions. You are actually obsessively thinking about this person, or obsessing over this person, is what I was getting. Capricorn energy, the devil energy have shown up over there. Okay, so yeah, those were some of the messages. Rest I couldn't get much. Oh yeah, from the oracle deck, one very loud clear message was that wait, there is something, wait, there is something better. Okay, wait, no, there is something better. So probably, if I try to join the dots, I feel that this relationship is not working for you guys. Maybe that person is not reciprocating, because you are not meant to be together, and there is something better, there is someone better waiting for you guys, so who will actually match your wavelength. Okay, so it's better to wait it out and see. Okay, just don't go and chase someone who is not interested, because the angels are saying that it is not what is meant for you. Okay, yeah, that was one very important message. How did I miss it? See, I spoke about this, right? The devil card. uh, oh my god, look, your challenge is Ace of Cups, guys. What is happening with you? Like, what is happening with you? Like, I feel sorry. I mean, bear hug to you guys, okay? Your own energy. Whoop. There you go. Wow, this is wonderful. Yeah, you are feeling disappointed. I know. I know, right? Yeah. So let's talk about your. Okay, before that, let me check. Yeah, I think we are good already. Anyway, I'm going to show you all the cards. So, yeah. So your health card is showing up as the devil energy, the Capricorn energy, like I said. Okay, so you guys probably are obsessing over something. Okay, now this could be, I won't call it positive, okay, because obsession is obsession. Anything in excess is not good, okay. So maybe, let's say if you're a fitness freak, okay, you're heavily into fitness and you're following your diet to the T, you're, working out regularly and all, everything is good, okay. Where I appreciate it, but if you're doing it excessively, it's not good. Like, yeah, I mean, it's okay to have some cheat days, okay. It's okay to not work out some days. It's okay to rest your body. It's okay to go and binge it some days, okay. It's absolutely okay. Don't be harsh on yourself, don't be too hard to yourself, okay. So that is what I'm getting, guys. Also, talking about the other side, okay, other side of the story, if at all you are binge eating, binge watching, smoking a lot, or drinking a lot, please guys, please don't do that, okay. Please honor your body, please respect your body, and don't do anything which will turn out to be detrimental for your health going ahead, okay. So please, whatever this devil is, just try to control it. It is completely and totally into your hands, okay. Do not let this devil overpower you mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually, whichever way this obsession is hovering over you. Please do not let it get better of you, okay. So that's your message, an important one, guys, those who need to hear it, okay. Yeah, Capricorn energy, by the way, over here. Your current energy is King of Swords and your blocker is Ace of Cups. Now, when I'm saying seeing this, see, King of Swords is all about action, okay. It's all about someone who is very rational, okay, and a very practical kind of energy is what I always associate King of Swords with, okay, who believes in actions. Uh, who likes to communicate well, communication is his or her biggest plus is what I would say. So but your challenge, Scorpions, is Ace of Cups. When it comes to your emotions towards someone, okay, certain someone, some specific person, I think all you're not your usual self is what I'm getting. Everything just melts down when it comes to this person is what I'm getting, okay. And it's like your train is just coming to a hard stop when it comes to this person, okay. All the rational thinking just goes out of the window when it comes to this person is what I'm getting. So well, I mean, don't let it overpower you. See, having emotions for someone is fine, but if that person is not reciprocating it, I think we should respect that, okay. We should respect that and withdraw is what I would say. Maybe, like I said, I told while pre-shuffling also, that if something is not working out for you, probably it's not the best choice for you, okay. That's the thing. But sometimes, or oftentimes, we don't realize it. We just get obsessed with something or someone, and or having something or someone in our life, and we don't understand that God has bigger plan for us, okay. So just trust that plan, and I would say retract, okay. Just pull your power back from whoever this person is or whatever it is that you're obsessing from. Also for some of you guys, I feel that your emotions are overflowing, like you have no hold or control over your emotions, and that's kind of turning out to be a minus for you guys. And you are probably blurting out in emotions. You're a scorpion, right? True blood scorpion. So scorpions usually are they speak out their mind. It's a water sign, an emotional sign, but when it comes to choice of words and all, I feel that they can be too blunt sometimes to the extent of hurting someone. And this is precisely what I'm getting from this energy, guys. Okay, so yeah, I mean, it's good that you communicate your point, but at the same time make sure that you're not being rude and hurting someone. Okay, and also do not, if at all you feel that you are, I feel that like I said, someone is not having grip over emotions. So if at all you're feeling hurt, or if at all you're feeling angry, just pause at that very moment. Do not, by any means, do not say anything at that moment. Okay, if needed, take few long deep breaths, do belly breathing, calm down, take a step back, and kind of articulate your thoughts or gather your thoughts, and then communicate whatever it is. This way you'll end up saving a lot of problems. This way you'll end up saving yourself a lot of conflicts, okay, or even hurting someone, is what I'm getting, guys. Very, very interesting. And to me, this looks like a specific message so far, or specific reading so far, in which case I truly apologize, guys. I really have no control over it. Okay, your advice is Page of Cups. Now this is very interesting, guys. If at all you're planning to or you're working towards getting a new job, okay, there is a new job written for you. Okay, very soon you'll get a job opportunity, you'll get an interview call from somewhere, out of nowhere rather. And you'll end, the next thing you know is you have the offer letter in your hand. Okay, you'll have this job in your hand, is what I'm getting. So definitely, whatever planning you have done, whatever hard work you have done, the way you have planned your career graph, okay, it is definitely going to come to fruition. You have a new job offer very, very soon. New job opportunity very, very soon on your cards. Okay, and no, I don't think this is a news of promotion or anything. It could be a case for some of you guys, like you'll step up to another level, like a leadership or managerial role, okay, for some of you guys. But to majority of you, okay, for majority of Scorpions, it's a new job altogether. Okay, is what I'm getting over here. Your crowning energy or your output is that of the moon. Okay, your own energy is what I'm seeing, guys. First of all, I feel that there is a group of people, like especially the energy, the one who is stuck on relationship. I feel that you are somehow borderline depressed because your emotions, your love is not getting reciprocated. It is quite understandable, it's quite natural. Okay, but the advice, guys, is really to move on. There is no point focusing on something which is not working for you. There's no point crying over spilt milk. Okay, so please just gather yourself up, guys. Don't stay in this energy of disappointment or sadness. Okay, just gather yourself and just walk away from this situation. Okay, you never know how life surprises you. Okay, you never know what lies for, or what awaits you on the shore, okay, or on the other side. So please just get up, dust off the past, and just move on in life, guys. That is what is needed. Okay, also, guys, for some of you guys, a word of caution, especially there is devil so strongly in your energy today. Do not trust anyone blindly. Okay, there could be more than meets the eye, and especially if you're obsessing over a wrong person. Okay, please be little careful, guys. That person might not be as sweet or as adorable as you are seeing that person to be. Okay, so please, I think if this is not working out for you, it is for your good only. That's the kind of hunch I'm getting, guys. But yeah, if you ask me right now, as this reader, every pore of mine is saying that yes, walk away, it's not meant for you, it is toxic. So just walk away from this situation is what I would suggest you through this reading, guys, and from the energy that I'm getting. Okay, yeah, let's pull one small spread from this beautiful deck, guys, and conclude the reading. Okay, let's see. The situation will improve, not the right time, yeah. Opportunity, wait, yeah, similar cards have are the similar cards were shown in your pre-shuffling also. Yes, guys, if at all you're looking for a new job, or if you're thinking whether or not you should wait for this situation, or whether you should walk away from the situation, I think yes, you should definitely move on, because there is no point banging the wrong door. Okay, for some of you guys who are looking for a career change or career move, I think the situation will improve, though it might not be the right time right now. Okay, like many of it's recession time. Okay, there are not many job offers out in the market, so currently might not be the right time, but that doesn't mean that you will not get a job. There is an opportunity awaiting for you. All you have to do is wait for your time, wait for your opportunity. Okay, now this is applicable to both the energies that I talked about in this reading. Okay, one who is kind of failing in, I don't want to use the word failure, but the someone for whom the relationship didn't work out. Okay, it didn't work out because the time was not right, but that doesn't mean that you'll never find your soulmate. You have to wait for right person, you have to wait for right job offer, you have to wait for the right time. Okay, the situation is going to improve. All you have to do is trust the process. Okay, you definitely have a better opportunity lying ahead for you guys. So yeah, Scorpions, hands down a new job offer for some of you guys awaiting you. If at all this happens in a couple of months, like 2 to 3 months down the line, please do let me know. Even if it is, if it is a if 3 months time span has passed for this reading, just come back and drop a comment to this reading, because I am very confident about what I said just now in this reading, so I would like to hear it from you as well. Okay, so Scorpions, it was a wonderful reading, and I hope you liked it too, and you got the message. You know what to do now. Okay, so I'll see you next month directly, guys. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye, take care.